Hi guys, in today's video, I am showing you how to mirror videos in CapCut PC. The process is really simple and really easy. As you know, first you have to do is import your video in the CapCut by tapping on this import icon and drag it to the editing section. You can see I already did both things, but I am using a video of CapCut, and I did not import it from PC. So how you gonna mirror it? The process is very simple and easy. You can see the face of cat is on the left side, and after applying the mirror effect of CapCut, the cat face will be on the right side. So how can we apply it? Here, you will see a few options. This one is crop ratio, and this one is rotate. This one is mirror. Tap on this option mirror. Now you can see, as I told you, after applying the mirror effect, the cat face will be turned on the right side, and you can see from here. Now play your video, and if you want to export, then tap on the option export, which is on the right top. So it was the fundamental way by which you can mirror videos in CapCut.